Hi, all, and this May getting ready. I am going to London alone for the first time. I am going to renew my passport, and those are the passport documents, my postal card, my old passport, and I bought a dispatch envelope, and whereby they need to use it to post my passport back to me. So while I was preparing for this trip, it was actually drama. My appointment has been postponed like I think twice, and today I decided no, I must to go for this appointment. I don't want brigade is a verb. Oh yeah, I wanna say my passport has expired. Nah, not me. And this is the first time I am traveling alone since I've been in this country. I am not the traveling type. My husband is the one. He will push and push and push. You have to push me before I'll leave this house. Let me say I'm an introvert. But when I see party, I make sure I party. Even me, when I was going to this London on my own, my husband keep asking me, should I come with you? I want to come with you so you don't go and get lost. I was like, eh? Has it got into this? The one that even provoked me, my sister, she now called me. Hey, are you sure you're not going to get lost? Hey, now that one pay me pass. I ain't pay me pass. I said, lie. This travel, I will surely go by myself. And I will make sure I go in one piece and I will come back in one piece. And today, I actually woke up 4 a.m. I've woken up. My train ticket they bought for me was after 5, but me, 4 a.m., I'm already awake. I don't want to brigade or my husband was like, hey, I'm feeling tense. That's why I could not sleep. To travel. Not be someone travel by land, though. Or go another country by land. I told him, not worry, I will go by myself. Look at me just going, and he was looking at me. Drive safe, park somewhere, and go to the train station in peace. So I said, I will go in one piece and come back in one piece and meet you. You will see, I will shock you people. And this is me at the train station. Yeah, and I'm here inside the train. I think I was actually one of the first people to arrive. I always keep to time. Me, I keep to time. I don't do African time. If you tell me 10 o'clock, before 10 o'clock, I'm even there at the venue. At least me taking off my gloves. This hand glove is like 5 kg. All my body, they heavy for all this load. That's my water. Anywhere I go, I always go with water. Yes, I go with my natural fluid. I know some people be looking at me like, we do some I don't put inside this bottle. They'll think say na shake way and see the way I'm sipping it as if it's champagne. And that's me reading my book. Sometimes I read, but depends on my mood. But I just carry book anywhere I'm going, just to take my eyes off phone. And this me, I finally arrived. I am here, I did not lost, I am in London, I did not lost, At least me feeling myself. I'm calling my husband, yeah, I'm sorry, I think I will get lost. Describe for me. And he was like, I thought you will not come. I said, okay, I have come now. Your wish is my command. He directed me on the train I need to use because I was like, if I drop, I'll take a taxi. He said, no, do not take taxi. You have to use the train. Use train. Successfully, I arrived at the venue, and this is our embassy. Our embassy, and that's a very long queue as usual. Even if you have appointment, you got to queue.